Hello guys, in JavaScript EA6 introduction series, we have reached to one another important feature of JavaScript EA6, which is read and rest operators in JavaScript. We have divided this video in three parts. We will discuss each part step by step. First, we will start by introducing what is spread and rest operator in JavaScript, where it is used. JavaScript introduced the spread and the rest operator in EA6 to handle array, object, and function parameter more efficiently. Spread operator is used to expand elements of an array or objects. Rest is opposite of spread. It means rest operator collects multiple function arguments or remaining array and object element into a single variable. So we will start by introducing spread operator, and we will work this in practical with example. So first of all, we will start with by spread operator. Spread operator, where this is used. Spread operator is used in expanding array. The spread operator expand an array into individual elements. So we will start expanding array into individual. First of all, I'm creating an array with numbers. Array would be 10, 20, and 30. First, I'm printing this value console.log, and I'm printing the numbers. After this, I'm using spread operator and printing its value, and I will see the difference between the spread operator and the original array. So console.log would print me spread operator is starting by 3 dots numbers. So I'm saving this and I'm clearing the code and I am running this code, the spread.js. So we will see the result. First, when we print numbers array, it is like as array, and it should. But by the help of the spread operator, we expand that array into individual variables. Second, we can use the spread operator to combine two arrays. First, we will use a traditional way to combine two arrays. After that, we will use the spread operator to combine two arrays. So I'm using another let numbers 2 would be 40, 50, and 60. So in the old way, let combined array would be numbers 1 dot. We are using concat method to combine two arrays, number 2. And I'm printing the result console.log, and we will see combined what is the result of this combination. So I'm running this code. As we see, the two array are combined into one array. So I'm using spread operator to do the same. Let combined 2 would be something like this. I'm using the array and I'm using spread operator for numbers 1. The second, I'm using spread operator for number 2 array, and I'm printing this result at console.log. We will see the combined 2 result. Clearing the code, the screen, and I will see Node.js. As we see the same result we have gotten from the spread combination. Third, we can use spread operator in copying an array. So in traditional way, in copy, we had a problem. We are going to do this by practical. So I am using let numbers 2 would be the second array I'm creating and will be numbers. So I have created one copy of the original array. So first of all, I'm printing the result console.log, that is the original array. So will be numbers. For the second time, I am going to add to one element to the copy or numbers 2 array. So number 2 dot push, I will add one another variable which is 50. So then I am printing the original array again, and we are going to see what is the result. Console.log, we will see numbers. So I am clearing the code and running this code again. We will first, I have created a copy of the numbers array in number 2 array, but I have modified the second array. When I printed the original array, the original array was modified. This was the problem when we tried to modify the copied array. It is modifying the original array. So the same problem was solved by the split operator. So I'm creating let copy would be I'm creating the spread operator for numbers. So first I'm printing this array console.log would print me the original array which is numbers, and then I'm modifying the copy array copy dot push. I will add the second parameter would be 15, and I am uh, uh, printing this the original array console.log numbers, and I am printing the copied array also to see the difference. Console log and copy. We will see I am clearing the screen and I am running this code to see the result. In traditional way, as we saw that when we modified the copied array, it was modifying the original array. But in split operator, this problem was solved. By the help of split operator, we can use elements in between. So, for example, I am creating let numbers to array would be something I'm adding at the start and the rest and at the end of the array two variables. For example, I'm adding 100 in the start, then I'm using spirit operator for numbers, then I'm adding 200 at the end. So I'm printing console.log. We will see numbers 2. So as we saw, we by the help of spirit operator we can add elements in between. We can use spirit operator with object also. So with object we can use for copying an object, we can use this for adding new property to the object, we can use it for overriding properties of an object. So I'm creating let person, I'm creating an object person would be name uh, would be Ali, age would be 25, and this is the object. So we can use spirit operator to get the value of this. So let mm, I'm getting name just and dot rest, and we will see the person. So just to be certain, this name property of the array and the rest is saved in this. So I am console.log printing both name and rest. So we are running the code, clearing the screen. We will see the result. Sorry, person is not let's person. That is something is rare. So clearing the screen and we will see the result. As we saw, we have gotten name properties in an individual variable and the rest array is saved in the rest operator. So we can use this for the second we can use for copying an object. So this late so copy would be we can use split operator for person. So I'm saving this and I am printing this in a console.log that will print me the copy. So I'm saving the code and I'm running this code. We will see the result for copying an object. We can modify, we can add elements to an object with the help of spirit operator. So I'm using let add it. I will create another object to, so I'm using spirit operator for person, and I will add one another property which is 6 would be male. So I'm printing console.log I'm printing person add it. So we will see the result. What is the result? As we saw that we can add property to an object with the help of split operator. So we can modify properties of an object with the help of split operator. Let modified, I will create another object for I will use split operator for person, and I will just age change to 30. So I will print person console.log and I will print age. Sorry, modified. So we will see clear the screen to see the exact result. So I'm running this code and we will see the array object properties modified and changed from 25 to 30. The second one, it is rest operator. The rest operator collects multiple values into an array or object. Most of the time it is used in function parameters for collecting arguments. When you don't know how many arguments will be passed to a function, use the rest operator. We can use this rest operator in array structuring. So I'm creating an array, and array would be let numbers. Numbers would be something like this: 10, 20, 29, and 30, 40. So let I'm using rest operator to save just to print just two values. Also let first and second and the rest. Get me this value from the numbers console.log. It print me first, second, and the rest. We will see the result. As we saw, these two variables are uh, split it into individual variables, and the others are saved in a rest operator. So for object structuring, also use split operator. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video and subscribe to our channel.